Morning, guys and gals. Froggy here. I've got some new work lights. I'm going to use them to light up my bench area when I shoot videos, and also use them for projects, obviously. So I want to do a little comparison between my original one, Cat, that I got, and these new ones are FEIT. I've got them all charging right now, and long story short, the Cat has two levels of brightness, and I almost can't tell the difference between the two. And the FEIT has, what is it, 3 or 4 levels of brightness? Let's see if it says on the back here. It doesn't say, but it's on the box. It's either 3 or 4 levels of brightness. I'm going to run through them right now, and then I'll let you decide. Of course, the brighter the light, the quicker the battery burns out. Recharge time is a few hours for either one. I'm not going to really split hairs on the recharge time. One major difference, I guess I would say, is you cannot turn on the FEIT while it's charging. You have to unplug it. The Cat will run with the plug in or the plug out. It doesn't really care. It might have something to do with the bug on the end. This one has a bug on the end. I think that's probably, what is that, an inverter from AC to DC? And this one just charges from a USB. You cannot plug it into AC. So there's a difference there. Let's look at the brightness. That's what most people care about. They're both pretty bright. Let me see how I'm going to do this. Okay, this is a little bit hard to do because when I turn the light on, it gets very bright and the camera gets confused. But anyway, this is the FEIT. It has 3 levels. So this is off, brightest, next brightest, dimmest, and off. Okay. Sorry, that's kind of the best I can do. Maybe I'll try and shoot a long range. This is the Cat. I think that's brightest when it first comes on. And then I think that's next. They're very close to each other. So let's try it at a distance, excuse me. This is the Cat shooting out at a distance. I'm balancing it on my knee. That's one level, and that's the other level. And we'll do the FEIT. Again, I'm going to balance it on my knee. It's the brightest, a little lower, lowest, and off. Okay? So I tried to give it to you 2 different ways. The FEIT has a hook that comes out, and you can hang it on whatever you want to hang it on. I'm not sure how useful that's going to be. Some of you might find that useful. It looks a little bit flimsy, but maybe it'll last. I don't know. I'm not going to try and break it. I would say they both seem equally well protected from dropping. The shape of the LED array, this one, the Cat has a sharp cutoff. It's like a round, sharp cutoff. This one has more of a soft, there is no cutoff. It's just kind of spread out more. So the projector or the projection reflection material is different. Does that make a difference? Probably not very much to me. So for lighting up my bench, I'm just going to put it up on that little wooden rack that I made up there. So we put one on that side and one on that side over there. And maybe that'll help the lighting. Give me some feedback on my videos that I do on this bench here. Oh, sorry. See, I have to keep adjusting that exposure. So That's about it. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. I'll put some links if I can to some of these lights down in the comments and pin it. See you later. Be safe. Have fun. Froggy out. Bye.